So AI is changing the world of e-commerce and Shopify businesses. And nowadays, it's easy to create the product photos and videos which display the real use of your products. And SellerPic is all-in-one platform which you can use to create product photos and videos using AI. And all of that high-quality photos and videos you can create using only a single prompt. Now, I have done that for one of my print-on-demand Shopify and e-commerce businesses, and let me show you exactly how you can do the same. Now, first of all, go to the top link in description and sign up using that link. After your sign up is complete, you will get a dashboard like this. Now these are some kind of designs which I have created and I'm going to use for my print on demand business, and I'm going to use specific these designs on sweatshirts, and I am targeting females. So this is exact design which I am going to use, and what I will do, I will first create a product mockup. The mockup is some kind of image which will display my exact design. For example, as I am going to use the sweatshirts, so I will put that design on a sweatshirt. Now as you can see, this is the mockup which I have just created using Canva. Even you can use SellerPic to create a mockup just like this. And here you can enter the exact prompt. For example, you can ask, give me a mockup of a sweatshirt by putting the exact design on it. And with that, you can also upload your design here. Now in our case, as our mockup is already created, so I will be creating a model image which will be wearing our exact design on a sweatshirt. So what I will do, I will go into upload section, and then I will go into device, and then I will upload my exact image here. So this is the mockup which I have just created. I will upload here. Now after image upload is complete, I will enter an exact prompt, create a picture of model wearing this exact design outside. And after that, I will click here. Now this is the image which has been created using the Nano feature. And also you can edit that image to remove the background, to edit different things, and also you can edit that image in Canva as well. So here you can see exactly I have choose the Nano feature, which is exactly this design is created. And to download that image, you can use the free feature, or even you can download it in 4K. In that way, your image quality will not be compromised when it's zoomed in. Now as you can see, we have downloaded that image in 4K, and when I am going to zoom in, the product image quality is not compromised. But there is one thing I would like to mention. In Nano feature, the macro details of the designs are missing. And that's why you can use SellerPic to create your designs, which is much way better than Nano. Now in our design, as you can see, we have the two logos. The first logo is on right side and the second logo is on the left side. In Nano feature, as you can see, the right logo of the image and design is here, but left logo is missing and it's not clearly visible. Now the point is, when you are going to use the Nano feature, the macro details of designs can be missing. But if you are going to use the SellerPic feature, which I am going to show you right now, the macro details will be here and it will be consistent. Now let me show you how you can do that. If you go back and go into SellerPic section, you can use this virtual try on feature. In this section, we have the 4 parts. The first one is for the apparel for only top. The second one is for the apparel which are for only bottom. And the third one is full body, and the last one is one piece garment. Now this AI feature will scan your whole image and will put it in the right column where it suits. Now our design is related to our top image and it's a hoodie, so what we can do is we can upload our image right here. And after your image is uploaded, what you can do is you can select your own model, or even you can choose from the model library. Now what I will do, I will choose from a model library section. I will go into this section, and then I will filter using the gender, using the age, using the region, and then using the background. Now in our case, I am going to use the female, and then I will choose the adult section. Now this is the model which I am going to use. As you can see, it's wearing the exact outfit. So what I will do, I will simply click on the model which I want to use, and then I will click on confirm. Now this purple area will be used to display our outfit. Now if your outfit is a bit longer, you can use this adjust section to adjust it on the model. Just go into this section and then click on brush. By using the brush, you will be able to choose the part of the model where you want to display your outfit. Now what you can do is you can simply brush it and your outfit will be adjusted accordingly. Now in our case, as you can see, it looks perfect. So I will simply close this and then I will generate. And it will take some time and will provide you 4 images. Now these are all 4 images which has been created using SellerPic try on feature. Now if I go into this image and I will download this image in 4K and I will show you how it exactly looks in comparison of Nano banana image which we have created already. Now as you can see, this is the exact image which I have downloaded using the SellerPic try on feature, and if I zoom in you can see all the macro details of the design are here. You can see the logo on the right arm, and then you can also see the logo on the left arm. So basically all the macro details of the design are very well placed and these are consistent, while in the Nano banana feature these were missing. Now let me show you a comparison of both images and let me show you exactly how it looks. If you look into Nano banana image, as I told you earlier, the macro details are missing, while in our SellerPic you can see all the macro details of the design are here and these are clearly visible. So my recommendation will be to use the SellerPic try on feature, where you can also try on different accessories and also try on different apparel. The main thing is you can also use this swap fashion model feature, where you can swap the image of the model. Just go to swap model section and you can upload your image here. Now I will upload the image which we have just created using the SellerPic virtual try on feature. Now I will simply go into this device section and I will upload my image here. So basically there are plenty of strong features which SellerPic has got related to creating the product photos, and even you can create videos of your products from the photos. Now once our image is uploaded, you can see the purple area on the model will not be changed, and now you can swap the face of the model. Now what you can do is you can use simply this filter section to choose any model, or even you can choose one from here. Let's say if I am going to choose this model, and after that I am going to select, the model face will be swapped. So this is the image which I have exactly got after swapping the model face. After that you can also change the pose of the model. Just go into pose changer, and here you will get plenty of options to change the pose of the product images. So what exactly I can do, I can simply choose any pose which I want to select, and then what AI will do, AI will simply create and change the pose of your model. So in our case, as I am going to choose this plenty of options, and I am going to choose this one, and also I am going to choose this specific one as well. Now I will simply click on generate, and then all the poses of the images will be created. Okay, so these are the images which we have got, and you can see the same design in different poses of the model. And even after creating all of those images, you can publish them directly on your social media. What you can do is just go into this publish and then link your own social media, for example Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. After that it will be automatically uploaded on your social media pages. Using SellerPic you can also make different modification in your model images. For example, you can also change the color of your outfit. Let's say if I want to put a bag in the model hand, what I will do, I will simply put a prompt, and even if I want to put the glasses on the model cap, I can simply put a prompt and then I can click on generate. So what this exactly will do, it will create an image just like this. You can see the model is carrying a bag and glass is on the top of the cap, which I exactly wanted in my model image. Now the SellerPic has also different other features as well. For example, I will show you exactly how you can create a video of your product using just image, and also product in hand feature, where model will be carrying your product. And also you can use this lifestyle scene, where you can create the real photos and videos of your product in real use. I have also created different photos and videos of my products for duvet covers, and let me show you exactly how it looks. Now if I show you, see how it's looking. It's looking like a perfect photo, and it's looking like a rare photo of a bedroom. And you can also see my design is displaying on the duvet cover. Now let me show you how you can create the video of your product and how you can use that as a UGC. Just go into image to video section, and then you can upload the image of your model here. Let's say if I want to use this image, so what I will do, I will simply upload here, and after uploading the image, what you can do is you will have to choose this specific option. In my case, I am going to use Google VEO 3, which is the best one to create videos of your products. After that you can enter the prompt. Of course it's optional. For example, I am going to enter the prompt: the model takes a few steps forward, then smoothly turns to the side, showcasing the outfit. The camera follows the movement, with a gentle pen, ending with a close-up of the outfit details. And after that, you can enable this feature, and this feature basically puts the audio behind the video of your product. Now I will enable this feature, and then you can choose the duration of your video, how much your video should be, and after that you can click on generate. Now this is the video which I have as a regard, and let me show you how it looks. Now you can see exactly how this video looks like, and this is the perfect video for using as a UGC. And even after posting this video on your social media pages, you can also run different ads of your products. So crucially, VEO3 uses my generated image as the start frame, and the video animation is incredibly accurate and consistent. So basically the model face and the product details are preserved perfectly in the motion. Now it's not just like a footage, it automatically generates a fitting audio track to go with it, making it a complete ready to post video for Instagram, TikTok, as I told you earlier. And for yourself, basically this is the ultimate time saver, from a single prompt based image to a full audio backed video ad in seconds. So what this basically is, you don't need any freelancers or any outsourcing for your content creation. This tool completes your entire content creation loop. If you're an e-commerce seller, or if you're looking to start your own e-commerce business, you can use this specific tool to create your own product photos and videos. And even though you can also use the Google VEO3 feature inside that tool to create the videos of your products, which basically gets a simple starting point. This is just not an image editor, it's your entire content creation team, as I told you earlier. Now to try this seamless feature, just go to the link in description and sign up today. So hopefully this tool will help you to create beautiful product photos and videos of your products. Make sure to like my video and subscribe my channel, and I will be back soon with more useful content. Bye bye.